Hey guys, Andy from Sump Alarm. Today we're going to be installing the Level Sense Alarm. This is a perfect tool to monitor the proper function of your sump pump. To get started, I stuck the two sticky feet on the back of the alarm enclosure. This is going to be used to mount the alarm to the discharge pipe. Comes with some zip ties. We're going to go ahead and run these zip ties through those sticky feet on the back of the alarm. And we're going to use those to attach the alarm to the discharge pipe. Now that we've got the alarm mounted to the discharge pipe, we're going to go ahead and start setting up the power source. The alarm comes with a 110 power supply. We're going to plug that into our outlet here, and then plug the power cord into the bottom of the alarm. Next, we're going to be installing the float switch that the device comes with. To do that, we're going to need the mounting bracket, which is here. We're going to slide the float switch onto the mounting bracket like so. And then we're going to go ahead and mount this bracket about 6 to 8 inches above the typical water line for your sump pump. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and slide that bracket down. Now we're going to go ahead and connect our wire to the alarm. Polarity doesn't matter here, so either wire can go into the bottom of the terminal block. Just want to make sure those wires are good and seated in that terminal block as we tighten it up. Always like to do a little pull test after I get done doing that to make sure those wires are in there good, which they seem like they are. That pretty much completes the setup. Next, we would just clean up the wires with some of the additional zip ties that come with the alarm. But I always like to go ahead and test the function of the alarm. The alarm has a test button here on the front of it. As you can see, the alarm on this device is ear-piercingly loud. I also will go ahead and complete a test with the float switch. As you can see, as soon as the float switch is lifted up, typically by the water line, it'll enact the alarm like so. Once the float switch drops, i.e. the pump filtering out the water in the sump basin, the alarm would stop going off.